Okay, this is going to be a little clip showing you how to remove your air filter and just get into the air box. Okay, so the air box is sealed shut right here. It's got 4 screws. Just need a Phillips head screwdriver. Pretty basic, you know. Just gotta carefully undo these guys. Now, if your TW is anything like mine, it sits for long stretches in a garage or a barn, and mice love to nest in these damn air boxes. So you can see down here, it's a bunch of seeds. Obviously, little critter decided to at least have a snack inside the air box. It's not the first time it's happened. Anyway, in fact, a mouse got in there the first time and destroyed my air filter, so I fashioned my own out of a piece of foam here. Okay, so all I see right now is a caterpillar in there. That's weird. Alright, well, so I guess now the mice must just come up here and eat. But if you take your air filter off, there you go. You got a screen mesh. I'm gonna escort this little caterpillar out of here. Come on, little feller. Get out of there. So, anyway, so that's how you get into your air box. I'd recommend, if you're storing it for the winter, take some tightly bound up cloth or rags and just bunch them up in here. So that's what I used to do, but hasn't been a big issue lately. Okay, so I'm gonna put the lid back on, and it just basically goes like that. And just gonna tighten your screws. Careful not to strip these, okay? I'm really impressed with the quality Yamaha put into these bikes. But one thing, no matter what you do with quality, you can't really design a screw that is impervious to stripping if you try hard enough, especially a Phillips. So again, this bike's a 1987. It's quite old, but everything on it is mostly original and still works quite well. So okay, so that's that.